Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, then you're probably looking for a way to build an affiliate marketing website. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. If this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, we're always coming out with content that will teach you how to become more profitable with affiliate marketing. So consider subscribing to the channel. If you're not already subscribed, hit that bell notification so you know every time we come out with a brand new video, all right? Now let's launch into it. Before I actually show you how to build out the website, let's just talk about the different types of websites that you can build, right? Because a lot of people don't know this, but there are multiple ways to build an affiliate marketing website, right? So the first style really is a blog style, right? This is what a lot of people think of when they think of an affiliate marketing website. They think they're going to build a blog where you have kind of like, articles, and people find your articles on Google, you rank for SEO, you do search engine optimization, and then you sell whatever products you want. You connect your affiliate links to your blog, right? Now, there are a lot of problems with setting up an affiliate website using a blog style, okay? So let's kind of talk about that. Let's talk about the pros and the cons, all right? So first of all, I don't think that there are any pros to building a blog style website, to be honest, as there's actually a lot of cons, and you'll see this in a minute, right? So a lot of people don't know this, but the big cons with building an affiliate site in a blog style, right? That means, again, you're writing articles, people find your articles on Google, and then you link them out to different affiliate links as they're reading your article. So for example, if you're selling plant affiliate products, you're teaching someone how to build a garden in their backyard, how to grow tomato plants, stuff like that, then as they're reading your article on tomatoes, you might link them out to buy seeds or to buy pots or to buy a gardening training program, right? Those are all your affiliate links, and that can be good if you're driving a ton of traffic, but there are a lot of problems with that, okay? So first of all, it's not very focused, okay? So you're having to, write lots of articles that will come onto your blog, and then people can kind of, run all over your website. And you lose people like that if you don't know what you're doing, right? The other problem is that SEO takes 6 to 12 months before Google even ranks your blog. If you start a brand new blog today, it's going to take you a while before Google starts indexing your blog because of the Google sandbox, right? Back in the day, you could do it really quickly, but nowadays, Google doesn't want people taking advantage of their algorithm, so they keep you kind of at bay for at least 3 months before they even show you before you show up on the search results, which can take a long time, okay? So again, significant, rankings, we're talking 6 to 12 months. A lot of moving parts when we're talking about building a blog. It's not as profitable because it's going to take you, unless you have a, super authority blog, which is like huge, and that's possible, but that will take you years, okay? That's not a short-term thing, that is a super long-term thing, which can be great, by the way, but it's just gonna, it's gonna take you a long time before you make the big money, right? It's complicated to build because you have to build it on WordPress, and again, there's just a lot of moving parts, and unfortunately, it's only one source of traffic. That's actually one of the biggest problems, really, is that you're solely relying on Google and the search engines, the SERPs, okay, for people to find your articles, and that's kind of the problem with doing affiliate marketing with the blog style. It still works, but it's a very, very long-term game. It's complicated. You need to hire an SEO consultant. It can cost a lot of money. It's complicated to build, and it's only one source of traffic, okay? So what I'm going to teach you today is I'm going to teach you how to build out the funnel style, and I think that it's just way, way better, okay? So the first thing is, in terms of the pros, it's easy to build. Anyone can do it. You don't have to hire an external, party to do it for you. It's very, very focused. It's laser focused because you're basically putting people into a funnel, and you're forcing them through a very specific series of steps in order for them to get to know, like, and trust you before you recommend your affiliate product to them. Okay, that's very important. A lot of people don't teach this. A lot of people teach kind of like the shotgun approach, which is the blog style. But I like the funnel style, and that's what's made me, now almost $1 million in sales in my affiliate business, right? You can also actually drive a lot of sources of traffic, and that's the beauty about the funnel style, is once you've got your funnel sorted, which I'm going to show you how to build out in a couple of minutes, right? Is that you can put any type of traffic through the front door. You can do YouTube ads, organic YouTube, Facebook ads, LinkedIn, solo ads, email marketing, JV, influencer networks, podcast networks, banner ads, display network, literally anything you can put into the funnel, and it's still going to work. You're not relying just on one traffic source like you are with the blog style. okay? And it's simple. It's very, very simple, and you'll see in a minute when I build out my page. And the cons, the real only con is that a lot of people don't understand the strategy and this understanding of how to execute the funnel style affiliate pages in the best way possible. And that's where they kind of mess up, okay? So that's really the only con I would say. If you do understand the strategy, if you understand how to execute it well, then it is way more profitable, it's way more simple, it's way more focused, and it's way easier and quicker to get results than the blog style. All right, so I'm going to show you on my screen exactly how to do this. Okay, so here we go. All right, so I'm going to show you a couple of tools that you can use first of all, right? You can use any tool, it doesn't really matter. You can use Kartra. Kartra is very, very popular. All right, just give me 1 second here. I'm going to zoom in here a little bit. Right, you can use Kartra, which is one of them. One of the funnel building tools that you need to use in order to build out your website. Right, you can check out Builderall. Builderall is another one as well. You can use ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a cheaper option, but I like to use ClickFunnels because I still think till today ClickFunnels is really the Ferrari of funnel builders. Okay, it's not necessarily the most expensive. You know, there's a $97 per month plan, and there's also a $300 per month plan. But even till today, I've been using ClickFunnels for, oh gosh, like almost 10 years now. I'm still paying the $97 plan because I refuse to go to the $300 plan. I don't think you should need to pay $300 necessarily for a page or funnel builder. Okay, but you can choose any of them. I mean, Kartra is also $100. Builderall, I'm not too sure. ClickFunnels I know is cheaper. But I'm going to teach you how to build out your affiliate website today on ClickFunnels. You can model this if you want, but it's super simple, okay? And I like ClickFunnels just because it's of ease of use. And if you want to just model exactly what I'm doing, that's what I would do, okay? So the first thing is you would come into ClickFunnels, and instead of using one of their templates, I'm just going to show you how to build this from scratch, and it's actually really, really easy. You would get a blank template. Right, and I want to show you how easy ClickFunnels is to use as well. And I'm going to change my background. Okay, so this is a black background. All you do is you just go into settings right here. You change your background. Okay, you can see background color there. You click on that, and then you just choose. You just drag this to white. Okay, transparent, not transparent, and that's it. And you get a white background. Simple as that. Okay. Now what I want to do here is I want to create basically a very simple page that talks directly to my prospect. Okay. Is able to add value, and then I give them a link to click, which will be my affiliate link. That's it. It's a very, very simple page, okay? And this is one of the pages that's going to be inside of my funnel process, right? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a column. So you want a single column, and then what you would do is I would just put a headline in there. Okay, so it's as simple as that. You see how easy it was? I literally just click in here, click there, click here, click over, and I would just write a headline, right? Now, let's imagine that I'm in the gardening space. Okay, so I'm gonna my goal is to add value to people that want to learn how to grow a garden in their backyard. Let's just imagine that. Okay, and the product that I'm selling is a gardening training program. It's going to teach them how to build a garden in their backyard. Let's just imagine that that's the case, right? Now you can use this example and model this for any product that you want to sell, whether it's affiliate marketing, drop shipping, cryptocurrency, losing weight, six-pack abs, building more muscle, picking up a guy, picking up a girl, whatever, building better relationships with your mom and dad, literally anything, okay? Meditation, mindfulness, whatever it is. But in the garden example, I might type out something like that. So this is a title that's going to, catch their attention. And this might be one of the pages inside of your funnel of pages, okay? So maybe I'm only going to be talking about one thing, and this will be the intro page. So maybe my video might be talking about, understanding how to successfully create a garden in your backyard, even if you're just a beginner. Okay, and the reason why I'm doing that is because this is the first piece of content that they're gonna watch from me inside of my sales funnel, right? And it's just an intro, it's an intro to the rest of my series. Okay, so this is going to be a series of videos, but I'm just going to show you how to build the first page. All right, and so the first page might just be the introduction to getting to understand how building a garden works. And then maybe the next day or the next piece of content might start to go into the details a little bit more, like what tools do you need to start the garden. Another one might be, where do you source your seeds in order to plant the garden. Another one might be, how do you prep your soil before you start growing. And then another one might be, how do you grow gardens in the tropics versus in a temperate climate, stuff like that. Okay, so this is just the intro video. I'm going to come into the orange, the settings, and I'm just going to change the font size. All right, it's so easy to use, and this is the cool thing about ClickFunnels. You just kind of like drag and drop. It's so easy to use. And I might want to make this a little bit narrower, so I'm going to come into the blue here, and I'm going to see the width here. You see that? I'm just going to drag it so that it's a bit more narrow, and it just looks a little bit nicer. Okay, so I might want to make the font a little bit smaller. Or actually, I'm just gonna have 2 lines there. Okay. Then the next thing I need a video. All right. And this is the thing about creating a website for affiliate marketing. A lot of people think that you can just use text. No, you can't. You need to use video, because video is the best conversion tool that you can use in your arsenal. All right. Now, here's a cool thing about video. You don't necessarily have to show your face like this. Okay. You can create cartoon style videos. You can create animation style videos, whiteboard style videos, so many pieces of software that you can use out there. Just Google, animation style software, whiteboard style software, stuff like that. It's very easy. You can create PowerPoint presentations, keynote presentations. You can hire someone on Fiverr to do the video. You can record your screen like this if you want. Okay, very, very easy to do video. So all I would do is I would click into a new element, and I'm just going to find the video element. It's really easy. Just click there and it just pops up right there. This is why I love ClickFunnels, because it's so easy to use, right? And I don't have a video right now, but if I did have a video, okay, and maybe I can grab one. Just for this example, I would come in here, video type, I would click on, whatever, Vimeo, YouTube, Wistia. I use all 3. Let's say it's YouTube, okay? Let's go find a YouTube video, okay? Actually, let's just jump into, so I do a full-on demo for you guys. But I'm gonna go quickly here into my YouTube account, and let me find a YouTube video. So basically, you would create a video and you would upload it onto any one of those platforms, Vimeo, Wistia, or YouTube, and YouTube is free. Okay, so let's just take this video for example, for lack of a better example. Right, and then you would just click on the video link. Okay, you would come back into ClickFunnels here, and you would just pop the video link in there. Very simple. And you click out, and now the video is done. Okay, and then what I want to do now is maybe I want to choose the theme for the video. Maybe you want a blue background, maybe you want a black background like that. That could be quite nice, right? And then advanced, you can choose the width. Maybe I want it 3/4 width, make it a bit smaller. Okay, and then that's kind of it. And I want to create a bit of a gap between the top here, so that I'm going to move the top margin a little bit down, so there's a bit of a gap. The way your page looks is very important. So you can see that the page is starting to look quite nice, right? What I might do as well is I might create less of a gap on top. Okay, so visuals are very, very important. So I'm going to click on settings here. Actually, it doesn't allow me to do it there, so I'm going to do it here. And I can see there's padding on the top. I'm going to move the padding on the top a little bit less, so you can see it moving up, right? So now it looks a bit nicer. Yeah. Now all I need is a button on the bottom. Okay. So I'm going to kind of hover over a new element. I'm going to look for button over here. Okay. And then this is going to be my affiliate link. Okay. So I'm going to click into the button, and I'm going to write a call to action inside the button. Right. So I want people to take action. So what I'm going to write here is access the Power Garden training today. Okay, so Power Garden training. Power Garden is the name of the affiliate product that I might be selling. All right, or you can make a name up. It doesn't really matter. This is just an example. I'm not in the gardening niche, but I just wanted to give you guys an example here. Now I would increase the size of the font so it looks nice. I could even change the color of the button if I wanted to. I just click down here, and you can kind of play around with the button. Maybe we want a green, right? And maybe we want it slightly darker, and green makes sense because we're selling gardening products in this example, right? So we might want it green, or maybe a bit more pastel green. No, that's too neon. So we're gonna keep it around, make it a bit darker so it looks better. Okay, and then I would create, a bit of space on top again, right? So that it looks nice. And then what I would do is I would get my affiliate link. So let's just say you have your affiliate link somewhere. All right, go and grab your affiliate link, and all you would do is you would click on the green button, and you would come to set action. Okay, and this is where you would choose go to website URL, and you're gonna put in your affiliate link. So let's just imagine that your affiliate link is https://www.google.com. Okay, you want to open it in a new window, and that's all you would do. Okay, then after that I would hit save, right? So now what I've done is I've created a very simple affiliate page, and this is really all you need. Right now I'm gonna do, change all the SEO metadata. So right here it says how to lose 15 pounds. Okay, I'm gonna change that, and I'm gonna change that to how to grow a garden today. All right, and I'm gonna save that, and you'll see the top here change to how to grow a garden. All right, so let's just preview the page to see what it looks like right now. And it's as simple as that, right? Now I know it looks very, very simple. If you want, you can change the background color, you can make it a little bit nicer, but this is really the first step to building an affiliate sales page, okay? Affiliate website, right? I told you it was simple. It's very, very simple, right? All you need is a title, a video, and literally a button that's going to link people to your affiliate offer, right? Now, what you create on the video is important, okay? Because what you want to do is, instead of selling them, you want to create as much value for that particular audience member as much as possible, all right? So in this example, because we're selling a gardening product, day number one, or part number one, which is what we're doing right now, is going to be all about just the overall 30,000 foot view of how you can start building a garden in your backyard, or whatever topic you're selling on, okay? And this will probably be a 5 to 10 minute video of value. I could just be talking, I could be recording my screen, I could be doing a PowerPoint presentation, cartoon style, animation style, whiteboard style. It doesn't really matter, as long as you're giving value 90% of the time to your particular audience, because they're here to learn. All right, we're not here to sell them, we're here to teach them exactly what they're trying to learn. I hope that makes sense, okay? And this is really the strategy behind building a very successful affiliate marketing funnel style website, okay? That's really the trick. So when you give them value, if you give them enough value, at the end of your video, right, because we just basically explained to them how to actually create a garden, even if you're just a beginner and you don't know anything about it, right? You teach them for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and then right at the end of your video, you're like, listen, if you enjoyed this video today and you want to get access to the full training program, the Power Garden training that taught me how to build a very successful garden in my backyard, all you need to do is just click the link below to check it out. And that's it. That's all you need to do, right? And so and this would be one part of many, many parts of your sales funnel, all right? But every single part would basically look exactly the same. You would just teach them a little bit more about what they need to learn in a different page. So let's just say this is page number 1. You can create page number 2, page number 3, page number 4, right? And essentially in every single page or every single day, you're just teaching them another valuable tip to their particular problem, which is, in this example, all about gardening. But whatever you're selling, it doesn't matter, because you could be selling a cooking training, you could be selling a crypto marketing training, you could be selling an affiliate marketing training, you could be selling a weight loss training program, a dog training program, a singing training program. It doesn't really matter, but you just teach them a little bit about how to get a particular result or solve their problems in every single day. And it's literally as simple as that. Now, here's the thing, okay? This is basically the simple affiliate page that you can build, right? And if we want to make it nicer, I don't really like the background so much. I'm going to come back here. I'm going to change the background, all right? And I can either do background color, right? So we can make it gray, or we can choose an image. So we can go into the image, and the cool thing is with ClickFunnels, they have stock images, all right? Or they've got backgrounds, right? So I'm going to come here and I'm going to choose like a really simple, nice background. Maybe something like that. Okay, and let's just see how that looks. So that looks a little bit nicer, right? So I'm going to save that. And I might not, in the end run with this particular background, but I just want to show you how simple it is to use ClickFunnels. And there you go, it looks a little bit nicer now, right? Instead of that stark white, we've got this kind of textured white, but it's still very simple, and the page still looks really, really cool, right? I'm going to play this video just for a second, okay? You can see the experience.
Are they actually going to give you
their email address. That's very, very important, right? And if they're not going to give you their email, then what's the point of having a squeeze page to begin? So that's a pretty nice experience for your user, okay? And so that's how you would basically build out your affiliate marketing website. But what's important to understand is you need people to opt in to a squeeze page or a capture page before they see this website. Now, I don't want to hang out here for the next hour, but if you want to learn how to build out the best squeeze page for affiliate marketing, you can check out the video on the top right hand side that I've already made, and you can just model exactly how to do this so that you know how to build out a capture page. Okay, so listen, that's kind of how you do it, right? This is a simple, it's a really, really simple way to build out a very powerful affiliate marketing website. Let me know what you learned in the comments below. If you got some value today, would appreciate some thumbs ups, okay? And if you would like to learn exactly how to build this all out, properly from start to finish, if you would actually like to work with me and get the step-by-step on exactly how to build out a multiple six-figure affiliate marketing business, everything from choosing the right programs to understanding which niche to be in, how to build out the website start to finish, step-by-step, how to connect everything, how to write the emails, how to do structured promotions, how to maximize your lifetime customer value so you can hit 10, 20, 30, 40, $50,000 per month realistically selling other people's products online, then I would love to teach you how to do that. You just have to register for our workshop below. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video today and you want to get videos like this. Remember to hit the bell, and I hope to see you on another video very soon. Take care and all the best to you.